afternoon, guys! It has been few hours. Naligo na ako. Binasa ko yung buko actually, pero bilis niya na nag-dry. I will be putting some makeup on kasi mag-film ako ng video, and then after that, I need to do something. Tapos pagdating na dan, we will go taste food for the wedding. So, ngayon yung schedule ng food tasting. And excited na si Dan dun. Actually, matagal na sana namin siya gagawin. Kaya lang na-aksidente yung may-ari. Tapos, mas prefer ni Dan na nandun talaga yung may-ari kasi he will be there sa wedding. Like, siya talaga yung magluluto. And, yan, aksidente siya. So, we were supposed to do it like, I think, 4 weeks ago? A month ago. Hello! Katatapos ko lang mag-film. Meron akong cleavage. I'm wearing my opera, guys. So, yung cleavage ko. Cleavage talaga. Anyway, hubadin ko tong dress na to. Dress. And then, mag-change ako into maybe jeans. Kasi nga, alis kami na Dan. Kakatawag lang na Dan. I was filming and he was like, "Are you okay?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm okay." Siguro gusto niya i-check kung natahi ko na yung sock niya. You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, Dan is so funny. Kahapon, sabi niya, pwede pa kay, ng sock ko. Kasi yung sock niya may butas. Right here. Ito yung kanyang Friday sock. Merong Friday. Sabi niya, pakitahi kasi may butas. Inisusuot niya to Friday. Bukas na yung Friday. Kahapon, nilagay niya to dito. Dito lang sa sa TV. Tapos hindi ko siya tinahi kasi sabi ko, hindi pa naman Friday. Hindi siya urgent. So, hindi ko siya tinahi kahapon. Tapos sabi niya, ilalagay ko siya dito ha para hindi mo makalimutan. Nilagay niya dito. Sabi niya, hindi mo mamimiss yan. Like, paglakad mo, paglabas, pagpasok mo ng kwarto, makikita mo yung sako. So, kailangan mo talaga tahiin. Kalo kasi sobrang tawang-tawa ako kagabi kasi nasa bed na ako there, and then ready na ako matulog. Tapos sabi niya, kinuha niya dito, nilagay niya dito. Sabi niya, oh, ito ha, makikita mo na talaga ito bukas. Sabi ko, what's the rush? Ang dami yung socks. Nakita niyo yung haul ko? Dress link. Lahat ng socks na yun sa kanya. Tapos, for some reason, he wanted to use his Friday socks on Friday. So, I will tahi that. Before that, magbibihis muna ako. Mag-jeans ako today. Tapos, mag-shirt. Kasi, ang bango ng sock. Yung gamit namin yung surf na detergent. Ang bango. Ooh. Yummers, babe. He's eating the spaghetti leftover from last night. We will go taste some food. I'll just wear a cardigan kasi feeling ko, or not feeling ko, I checked the weather. It's gonna be cold tonight. Like 21, I think. So I'm just gonna bring a cardigan. It's gonna be in the warehouse. No, not a cardigan. I'm gonna wear a flannel actually. I'm gonna be wearing a big old flannel. Ito, I think. Hala! Mamamatay na yung aking battery! Okay. I think I look fine. We'll see. I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, so I'm just wearing this top that I got from Shein. Jeans that I got from Armol. Yung perfect na fit sa akin. Yung slice na sa tuhod talaga. And then this is, I believe, from Zaful. Yung very oversized na flannel. So I'm just gonna wear that and then let's go. I think I'm just gonna wear flip-flops. We'll see. What? What? You look good, babe.
What's that?
You look good. Are you wearing flip-flops?
Yeah.
Good boy. I'm wearing flip-flops as well. Nakapark sa labas yung kanyang sasakyan because our garage door is broken. Whose fault it is? This guy's fault. Of course. Not my fault. I don't really use the garage door. It's closed, guys. See? Sira siya. Pero under warranty naman yung yung motor. So, motor, babe, right? Garage, yeah. Under warranty siya. So, papalitan siya. Thank God it's under warranty because it's expensive. We're not rich. It's expensive. It's expensive, babe. Let's go. It's hot. I forgot my glasses again. Whatever. Yum.
So of course, I carve a wood.
Looks good.
Whereabouts in Italy are you from?
I'm from Rome.
Oh, Rome? Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
I'm from the city center.
Yeah, very quiet here, isn't it? Once you come back to Adelaide, it's just so much quiet.
I love it. It's my favorite.
I'll taste this.
That's good, Marco.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the vinegar. Try this one, babe. One with the...
It's really good with the fruit.
Yeah, it is.
I put strawberries as well with prawns. I think that goes
Yeah, no, it does.
together. Lime, to be honest.
Yeah.
And
I like
pepper.
prawns. Okay. Try, babe.
But that one I put on the skewers.
Yum.
So it's just a bite. It's
Chorizo
better
with
than
caramelized onion.
this.
Yum. This one is salmon, avocado, and fruit. Blackberries, blueberries. Yum. I'll try this. The mayo is really good. We're done! We're happy with the food. It was so good. And he's so nice.
He's a nice guy.
Yeah, he's really nice. And he gave us this tart. Kasi sobrang busog na namin. I was like, I can't eat anymore. And it's like, you can bring it home. So, he gave us this tart. And it's gonna be part of the food sa wedding. Meron siyang caramel inside. So, it smells so good. It will be way smaller than this. Yun yung ano namin eh. Gusto namin yung maliliit lang. Kasi it's like very chill. Kind of like, we don't really have a theme. But the way it's going, it's like a rustic kind of wedding. Pero yeah. Hello babe, you have a twinsy car! Right there. Oh, burnt orange. Twinning. That's your car. And then there's another car right there. Point that one, babe. Yeah. Dito kami sa Kmart. We will look for gift para sa ano na Dan. Pamangkin niya. Hello babe, look at this one. A traditional dollhouse. That's a big one. Oh gosh, I don't like that. Dito yung mga puzzle nila, ha? I haven't touched a puzzle at all. Kailangan ko i-ano yung puzzle kasi nagpunta sa bahay yung mama at tsaka yung stepdad niya, diba? So, kakain kami sa table. So, kailangan ko siyang i-destroy yung aking puzzle na hindi ko pa natapos. No, I still have one puzzle, babe. I don't wanna buy. Plus, I don't have money as well. Fine. Naiwan na naman yung flybys. Yung flybys nasa ano ko, nasa wallet ko. Which one? Nah, if you're not doing it, then don't buy it. Because you will leave it to me. That's $2. I actually like that.
$1.
That's hard. That's pretty. Oh look! Kittens or cats, whatever they are. Kittens. We wanted to get this.
We're rich.
We're rich. How much is it, babe?
$150.
We want to get this. He has a budget for gifts and he said starting this year, what did he say?
We'll increase the budget.
We will increase the budget for kids. I think it's time. So we would get a big gift because all the time we're
We get the cheapest one.
we always give the cheapest gifts and the smallest as well. It's kind of embarrassing when they open the gift. Who's this from?
Uncle Danny.
Uncle Danny.
No.
Now we have a big gift. Are you proud?
Not this year.
Yay! You'll be proud. Like, oh, that's mine. That's mine. What are you gonna say?
Oh, just in worry. Look at my big gift.
Babe, we need to buy. You're proud? We need to buy a gift wrapper. I'll wrap it. I want to wrap the big one. They will have it at the front section. Hello, babe. My shorts. Oh. No, I'm done with shorts. Let's go.
Flybuys, mate. This is a big Flybuys purchase as well.
Hello, I know.
And it's $45, so you're not getting Flybuys points.
It's not 150, it's 45. The gift wrapper should be right here. It was here last time. Is it heavy, babe?
Very heavy.
It's really heavy.
Very heavy.
Dang. It's dark, it's dark, it's dark. Hello, no Married at First Sight today. I really like that show. Oops, my battery's full. What? No, it's not on. Not tonight. It's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Right? Oh well. I will wrap this gift because I can't wait to wrap a big gift. Hi guys! Hapon na. Parang nandito na ata si Dan. Parang narinig ko na nag-close siya ng ano niya, boot niya. So, try natin nagulatin si Dan. Lalagay ko dito. Tapos, wait. Ayusin ko lang yung camera. Dito ako pwesto. May pwesto talaga. We'll see. I-ano ko yung screen para hindi niya makita. Wala pa pala guys sa kapitbahay ata yun. Nasira yung garage door namin eh. So, yung ano lang, yung diretso na siya sa front door. Open siya dun. Hindi ko na naririnig yung ano ng garage. Yung pag-angat ng garage door kasi sinira na dan. And then I'm just wearing this. This top I got from CN Direct ata to or Dresslink. Parang CN Direct. Yeah, in-order ko to before ako pumunta dito ng Australia last year. So yeah, I still wear it. And then jeans is from Target, yung from the kids section. And then I'm wearing a tank top underneath. And yeah, yun yung ganap. I'm not gonna wear contacts tonight. Ito lang. I'm not gonna straighten my hair either. Just that. And I hope it's not too bad tonight weather-wise. Kasi I feel like kulang tong suot ko. Kasi I feel like magiging sobrang malamig siya. Oh well. We'll see. Tagalidan, 30 minutes ago or maybe 20 minutes ago, tumawag siya, sabi niya, daw siya, darating siya in 30 minutes. Kakainin ko yung tart. Ito yung binigay sa amin ni Marco sa taste test kahapon. So, ganun yung itsura niya. It's a tart, tapos meron siyang caramel sa loob. Tapos sa din. Nag-share kami ni Dan yung sa kanya kinain niya kanina umaga. Hapon na pala guys. Alas 5 na ng hapon. Hi, babe!
You gotta shut up.
I gotcha! Let's go. It feels like winter. It's not even winter. It's summer, you guys. It's summer, babe, right? It feels like winter. I'm bringing my thick coat, thick jacket, kasi magiging sobrang lamig mamaya. It's gonna be 17 degrees, pero sobrang windy. So, sabi ng news, it will feel like 12. So, yes. Babe, you look good, babe.
I know.
Hi, vlog. No hi today. Not today. We will go have dinner, tapos after that manonood kami nung comedy show. That's gonna start at 8 and it's now 6:30. And the show will be on for 45 minutes. Let me look at that. Looks like Sachi. Sachi! Buddy! Buddy, buddy, buddy. Buddy boy. Dito kami sa Brunelli restaurant. Sobrang daming tao, ang ingay. I just have my bread. Tapos we ordered ravioli carbonara. Kaming dalawa. So busy. We both got the ravioli carbonara. Yummers. Is it good, babe? Yeah? Meron na silang parmesan dito. Tapos meron pang parmesan shavings. Lemon lime and bitters for the drinks. Kain!
You guys are laughing. You know my back. Real time. What's her secret?
Is he gonna do it already or is he going to do it already or not yet? Isi-film ko sana si Kuya kaya lang ang tagal magsimula. Ang dami sinasabi. Wala na lang, alis na kami. Kasi malapit na magsimula yung show. Gaya pa nalalakarin namin. Hello! Katatapos lang namin sa David Hughes na comedy show. It was really good. He's really funny, right, babe? And now we're watching this ride. That is so freaking scary. Someone is screaming. Oh, they're done.
Yeah, that.
Oh my gosh. And then look at his feet. Look at this, you guys. What is this, babe? Pig? Look at that. Kanina pa yan. Kaninang hapon pa yan before the show. Look at this. A Dulce's shop of real opportunity. Let's go inside. It's a bus. Let's go check it out. Are you okay, babe? Can we go? Sige.
Yeah, I mean, you just have to throw it over the top. It's good for the French.
Would look good with like really skinny white jeans at the beach.
Look at these. Guess 50?
75.
75? Look how pretty. They're so tiny. We're getting potato here. Cargo spud, potato heaven. Yung kinuha namin yung original. Na merong bacon bits, cheddar, sour cream, spring onion. Hello, we're home. Ready na kami matulog. Hindi pa kami matutulog. Noon pa kami ng kung ano-ano online. Pero, yeah, it's already 11. Naiwan ko yung phone ko dito. So, ngayon ko pa na siya mag-check. Message. Anyway, that's it for this video, this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, be good. Good night. Good night, babe. Good night, bye.